Hey Doodles! So I thought I'd do a flip through of this book. So I was putting affiliate links in my video descriptions the other day, and I realised while I was getting the links off Amazon, so I have links for Amazon UK and Amazon US, I realised that the release date for this book is actually June the 7th, and the warehouse is already stocking it and selling it, so I thought I should probably do a flip through now rather than later, and then you guys can decide whether you want to order it, I suppose. And so I guess this may be the first flip through of it. So I thought that was pretty cool, because not often do I get to do the first flip through of anything, or ever have I been able to, because here in New Zealand we generally get everything last. For example, I'm still waiting on Camilla de Erica's new book, and still waiting on being able to get Lulu Mayo's Million Sweet Things, because even though they released a couple of months ago, I still haven't been able to get hold of them, because New Zealand sucks. Hi Jojo.
Hi.
How are you?
Good.
So this book, I was just telling them when I was doing the affiliate links for it, it doesn't release until June the 7th.
Really?
Well, on Amazon at least.
Oh.
So I thought I'd do a flip through. I'm still so sick.
What a loser.
I know, totally losing. The Fool.
Look at that skull.
It's really cool, eh? What's that doily on their head?
Doily? Wow, Mum.
What looks like a doily?
It looks like a veil.
A veil? I'd say a doily.
Doily.
The Magician. The High Priestess. The Empress. I like that four-leaf clover, that's pretty cool. The Emperor. That's pretty cool. The Hierophant. Is that how you say that?
Hierophant, yeah. I believe so.
The Lovers. I'm going to have fun colouring these in. Maybe not something like that though. What am I going to do with that? The Chariot. Strength. Look at that lion. The Hermit.
That's really cool.
It is, isn't it? Wheel of Fortune. Justice. The Hanged Man. That'll be fun. Death.
I'm really confused why they did that for the Hangman when Dev's the literal next card.
Well, maybe that's... I don't know. I don't know how they've organised this book, really.
Yeah.
Who cares? It's just for colouring in. It's fun.
Really cool.
Temperance.
The Devil.
The Devil. The Tower.
The Star. Moon. The Sun. Judgment. That's really cool.
Yeah.
The World.
I like this picture.
Yeah.
Can't see nobody in that cloak.
It's a horseman.
It looks like a lady horseman.
It's a horseman.
Look at that leg.
It's
It's not a chicken
Mum,
leg.
It's a horseman of the apocalypse, I think, is what that's meant to represent. The four horsemen.
I'd just like to say, where is her nipple?
I guess you got to draw it on. You got to.
Oh, that's cool. I think that might be the first page I do. Anyway, so pretty cool for a
$8 book.
an $8 book, yeah. And yeah, the American edition has no U, obviously. But that's cool. That's cool. I wonder why we like this. Why can't we all spell colour the same way?
Because America's got to be special, Mum.
Don't be so rude.
I
can't believe you said that.
That's going to make the book look really weird if the U's gone, because they're the same.
I don't know. Like, do we actually say colour different? Because we're colour. We say colour. Do they say colour?
No. They say it the exact same.
Oh, I don't know.
They just spell it weird.
Maybe their vowels are different. I have no idea.
Their vowels are not different, Mum. It's the same language.
No, it's American English. It's American English. It's not UK English, but we speak UK English, so...
We speak English. You know, the English made by the English.
All right, that's enough. You're going to offend somebody who's watching this, so shh.
If they get offended by yous, that's a them problem.
If they get offended by yous, that's a them problem.
Yeah.
All right, anyway, that's this short and sweet video. So, yeah, keep on doodling.